my name is Juno. I go to Xinghai Elementary School and I'm third grade. I will introduction frigate birds. The frigate birds are a family frigate of seabirds. There are 5 species in the single genus Frigata. They are also sometimes called man-of-war birds or parade birds. Science, they are related to the pelicans. The term frigate pelican is also a name applied to them. They have long toes and bills, and the males have a regular pouch that is inflated during the breeding season to attract a mate. Frigate birds are pelagic piscivores, which obtain most of their food on the wing. A small amount of their diet is obtained by robbing other seabirds, a behavior that has given the family its name, and by snatching seabirds' chick. Frigate birds are seasonally monogamous and nest colonially. A rock nest is a construct in low trees or on the ground. On remote islands, a single egg is laid each breeding season. The duration of parental care in frigate birds is the longest of any birds. Thank you.